Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find fingerprint face and password. Then let's tap on the fingerprint and tap on add fingerprint. Now we have to set the screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently applied, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. So let me, for example, choose the pattern. Then let's draw it or enter it, redraw it. Here we've got some kind of security questions. So what was the name of your, whatever. We can just do something like that. Okay, and finish. And right now we have to register a fingerprint, so we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. So let me put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner and every part for better recognition. And as you can see, we just successfully added it, so just tap on OK. And right here we've got the option where we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So the unlock, privacy and app encryption and payment. This is our fingerprint we just added. We can also add another if you want to. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.